Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve, you want to use Cramer's rule. You give this system equation, two equations, two unknowns, x and y. So we want to find x and y. Well, x and y will be both the ratio of two determinants. Notice the bottom determinant is the same for each of them. How do you determine this bottom determinant? We just write down the coefficients 6, 5, 2, negative 4. Okay, so the bottom determinant's easy. When you have it in this form, you just copy down the coefficients. When you're solving for x, I call this first column the x column, you want to put the constants in. The other column should match the denominator. When you're solving for y, in the y column, you put the constant. The other column should match the denominator. So now it's just a matter of evaluating these three determinants, where, well, four, but two of them match. So, evaluate this top determinant, this product minus this product. So 28 times negative 4 minus negative 5 times 2. Be real careful with the signs here. Denominator, it's this product minus this product. And it's a matter of doing the arithmetic, and I guess that works out to negative 102. Denominator works out to negative 34, so I just copy that down here. We'll work it out twice, and then you should simplify it to 3. And this top determinant here is, this product minus this product. That worked out to negative 170, which simplifies to 5. So the answer is 3, 5. You could check that, if you put 3 and 5 in here, you will get 28. Put 3 and 5 here, you'll get negative 5. Hope that helps.